Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This wig is going to be inspired by Blac Chyna. I love her pastel rainbow unicorn hair, so we're going to be recreating it. I hope you guys love this video. Please, as normal, like, please comment and subscribe. If you want to see more videos, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is turn your unit inside out. We're going to be using conditioner to protect our lace. And this just helps any color from staining the actual lace, because that is not a good look. So we're just using the conditioner just for extra protection, and I'm going to apply it around the entire, well, around all of the lace on the entire unit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And once I was done applying the conditioner, I went ahead and flipped the unit back around the right side, and I let the conditioner dry 24 hours. No specific reason why, I just didn't have time to finish it this particular day. So I let that dry and came back and finished the rest the next day. I parted it into 4 sections as I usually do. And by this time the conditioner was completely dry. The colors that I chose to use for this unit are as follows. I'm showing them in the camera, but it wouldn't pick up on the zoom, and I am going to make sure that they are listed in the description box. The first color that I used at the root was by MyDentity, the Guide Tan color, and it is in the color Pink Glow. The next color I went with was the Pravana Pretty in Pink, and it's a pastel color. The third one was Pravana Pastel Luscious Lavender. The fourth was Pravana Pastel Blissful Blue. The fifth was Pravana Neon Green, and the sixth color, which was the last color, was also by Pravana in Neon Yellow. I used a total of 6 colors to achieve this look, and I'm going to show you what all the colors look like once I put them inside the bowl. So here they are in the bowl, and I'll show you guys which ones I started with first. So I'm pointing to it. The first, that's the Big 9 Pink Glow. That's the Pretty in Pink Luscious Lavender. Blissful Blue is here. This one is the Neon Green, and then lastly the Neon Yellow. So that's what all the colors look like outside of the bottle inside of my tint bowls. And then we're just going to be moving to the next step, which is actually applying the color onto the wig. Okay, so here I already have my 4 sections. What I like to do is go around the entire perimeter of my section with my root color, and I always like a tinted root, and that's just what I wanted to do for this look. So I started with the MyDentity Pink Glow, and I went around the entire perimeter just in the root area, and once I finished that, I'm going to be going into each section and just using that color at the very root. Now, when I first started this, I started at the top and I went to the root, and then I went down with the Pretty in Pink, the Luscious Lavender, the Blissful Blue, and then the Neon Green and Neon Yellow. As you can see here, right now I'm on the blue, and then I'm going to do the green and then the yellow. And I was doing it this way at first, but once I finished this section, I found that it was a lot easier to do it a different way. And once we get to that point, I'll slow it down a little bit just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, so just continue watching, and we're just gonna move right along. so now I'm on my second section, and as I did the first time, I'm outlining the entire perimeter of this section first and then going back in. But this time, instead of starting from the top, I am starting from the bottom. It just makes it a lot easier. It makes it a lot neater. It prevents the color from staining the rest of the hair that's not yet colored. So I do recommend to use this method when you are doing a coloring process like this, because again, it just makes for a neater color application, and you don't have to worry about any of these colors touching hair in spaces that you don't want it to touch. So yeah, just continue watching for the finished look. once I was done coloring, I rinsed it out in cold water. None of the colors bled. I applied this unit to my head using Bold Hold lace glue. In this video, I'd already had this unit on for about 4 or 5 days. So here I'm just going to be showing you different styling methods and different ways to wear this style. So I'm flat ironing it, and yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy the final look. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all for all your support. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all, and thanks again.